Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Two. Today is the Juneteenth holiday in the United States. With everyone at home, it is just fitting to prepare a sumptuous, mouth-watering breakfast of bacon and eggs and yogurt. This is our brunch, and let me show you 5 easy steps to get all the food and coffee served within a short time. Firstly, fry sunny-side eggs in a non-stick pan. As the pan is quite big, I'm cooking 3 at one go. Always start with the eggs as they will slide off the clean pan once they are cooked. Next, I have some Applegate uncured thick-cut bacon slices. Place these strips of bacon on the pan and let them fry till crispy, just about 3 minutes on one side. While waiting for the bacon to cook, make some coffee. At the same time, start making the yogurt in 2 mini containers. These yogurt mini cups consist of 4 teaspoons of your desired yogurt and are topped with some blackberries, flaxseed meal, chia seed, and oats. By this time, the bacon should be ready to take out of the pan. Go ahead and fry the next batch of bacon. These should be nice strips, just nice for 3 each if you're preparing 3 plates of brunch. Lastly, I spread some marmalade jam on some bread. What do you think of this brunch? Easy, fast, and sumptuous brunch, ready in 20 minutes. If you are thinking of preparing this brunch, make sure you have eggs, bacon, some bread, and yogurt on hand. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and subscribe for simple recipes that can keep the family and loved ones fed and happy. My motto in life is to eat wholesome meals for a healthy and happy life. As always, wishing you an enjoyable time, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.